Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Dottie from Ignite Cinemas.
It's Final Cut Fridays!
And on this Final Cut Friday, I'm going to be showing you guys a breakdown on how to speed ramp like a boss. Let's get it! Alright, so today I'm going to be using a few scenes. I went to the park with my son, and shouts out to my cousin Tito. And of course, I got one of my clients playing soccer. So, let's jump into it. The first way I'm going to show you how to speed ramp is you're going to want to skim your clip. And I shot this one. This one was shot, I think, at 24 frames a second, so I will not be slow-moing it. Instead, I'm going to speed up the beginning and end of it. So we're going to speed that part up right here. Use the blade tool, come up here, and we're going to speed it. I would stay between 2 to 4, especially if it's a shorter clip like this. I'm going to go 2%. 2x, and then I'm gonna speed ramp this part right here, and we go back to 2x, and it'll look like this. Easy peasy. And then I'll eliminate that. So alright, this next scene, I'm pushing my son on a swing. I shot this, I think, at 30 frames a second. So, but let's say I wanted to slow-mo anyway, even though it might not look as good as if I shot it on 60 frames a second. So same process. I'm gonna come up here, I'm gonna speed this one 4 times. Alright, I'm gonna get my blade tool, chop this, and I'm gonna slow it down 50%. But if you might notice, it's a little choppy. So a good way to fix this is to come to video quality and hit optical flow. This makes it a little bit more buttery. And blade tool. And I'm going to continue this process. What I do, 4x. And I'll probably stop it right there. And speed this back up to 4. Eliminate the excess. And this is what we have right here. Easy peasy. Switch it up. And we're going to use the range, fam. The range selection tool. I got a whole new game plan. So you can either hit R on your keyboard to get you the range selection, or you can come up here, hit range selection. Either or, whatever floats your boat. I'm going to select the range. And I got my range selected. Come over to fast. I'm probably going to boost it by 4. And it goes regular. And then right here, I'm gonna speed it up, go another 4x. I'm actually gonna stop it right there. So let me hit my blade tool. I'll eliminate the excess. Now I did shoot this at 60 frames a second. So let's say I didn't want to keep it normal. I'm gonna select this here, and when you highlight this part right here, you can go slow 50%. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Now this scene is my cousin. Do you even vape, bro? And we're gonna speed ramp this. I'm gonna do, I don't know which one I like better. For tutorial's sake, I'm gonna do the range selection again. I'm gonna select what I want to speed up. I'm gonna speed this up. I'm gonna go fast. This time I'm gonna do 8x. 8x, alright, and then I'm gonna come here, select my range selector. I'm gonna go 8x, speed that up. That'll be slow-mo, and then come here, select it. Carter, what do you do? Alright, excuse my son, he's in the cut, tearing my office up. Go here, go 8x. You guys can have fun with this too, like there's no really set way. Alright, so now that I have all that, like I said in the other way, let's say I wanted to change this. So there's another way you can change this slow-mo. You can double click it, and this comes up with custom speed, and you can do 50%. It speeds up. Let's say, let's make that another 50. See that smoke look cool, and then come back and then speed it up to 50. And there we have a little speed ramp right here. I know this footage isn't as smooth as possible. I didn't have my Ronin or my glide cam. This was all handheld off the GH5, but work with the work. That's how you speed ramp like a boss. I hope this tutorial was easy to follow, whether you do it the first way or the second way, or you mix them both and do it both ways. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like the video. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, as well as other tutorials, unboxings, reviews, tips and tricks, motivations, vlogs, hit the subscribe button so you never miss a video. And as always, don't forget to ignite. See ya!